What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building. Today we're going to do things to this Glock 22. This is a Glock 22, and I actually bought this Glock for my wife, and she doesn't like this grip. Every time she grabs it, she says it's too much of a bulge, and yeah, the reason why is because it's not lined up over the finger groove, so I put that on there wrong. But she does not like this, so I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put a handle it grip on it. This is gonna be a stippled textured grip, not the sandpaper. It's gonna be the rubber filling grip, and you may have seen a couple of other videos where I put it on my Canic and put it on my Smith & Wesson. Here's the Smith & Wesson right here. Here's how the Smith & Wesson came out, and I think it came out real nice. I love the way it came out, and you definitely gotta subscribe to the channel so you can see the new trigger that I'm putting in this. What we're going to do is get this off of the Glock, and then we're going to put the handle it grip on there because she likes the way the handle it grips feel. Let's go ahead and get these grips off. So I have Mr. X-Acto knife, Mr. Pen, and we're just going to cut this thing off. I'm not about to go through trying to squeeze this off. I mean, yeah, maybe I could have did it another way, but yeah, we're just gonna cut that off. Mr. Pen X-Acto knife comes in handy a lot, and like I said, this is the handle it grips for the Glock 17, 22, 34, 35 Gen 3. Let's go ahead and get these out, get these put on. Here's what the grips look like fresh out of the pack. You have your backing, and it has adhesive, and this is a rubberized grip, and you have this for the back strap, and you also have a little piece to go up here. All right, so first thing we're going to do is grab the gun and put it on there, do like a little test fit just to make sure the right one has been ordered. Let's see, get that to line up. I know you see this overlap that I have down here on the bottom. Yeah, that's one reason why Mr. X-Acto knife has not been put away. That's one reason he hasn't been put away. So yes, we're gonna have a proper fit. So let me go ahead and take the alcohol wipe, and we're going to wipe the gun down. Wipe it down. Now this gets all the oil from your hands off of the weapon. So go ahead and clean it real good, and it wouldn't hurt to just go over your hands as well. Try to get oil off your fingertips. Now we know that this is the correct one. Let's go ahead and peel this off. All right, there we go. And let's see. That right over the Glock label. Let's look and see that it matches up good. It does. So what I'm going to do, usually I'll put the back strap on at the same time, but I'm not gonna do that with these. We're gonna do one piece at a time on this one. Alright, so we get your hair dryer. Get your hair dryer. And heat them up. Alright. Have that heated up. Hold on. Let me push it down. There we go. That's good. Now we come over to the other side. And we heat them up. Alright, so now make sure your alignment is good. There we go. Make sure your alignment is good. And alright, so this is where we're going to do something a little different on mine. Since I have the magwell on mine, I'm going to take Mr. X-Acto knife. X-Acto knife. Let's get over to this other side. Peel that on off. Mr. X-Acto knife saves the day again. Mr. Pen X-Acto knife. All right. So now we have the main part on and it's fitting great. Now it's time to put the back on it. All right, so let's see. It looks like I'm gonna have to use Mr. X-Acto knife again. All right, that's fine. That's fine. So we put that up. All right, so we know it will fit. All right, let's go ahead and match that circle. All right, that's on there. So let's hot. Put that on there. Good. And if you're like me, you have to, while it's still hot, get your little outline in there. And let me pull out Mr. X-Acto knife again. One of the main things is that you do not have to do this fast. When you're cutting like this, take your time. You're not running a race. There we go. Got that side done. Now let's get this side. There we go. There, can you see that? Perfect fit, perfect fit. All right, let's see the rest of it. All right, it's actually looking pretty good. Yeah, looks pretty good. We have just a couple of more pieces. Wrong side. All right, let's see. Okay, there we go. Let me put a little bit of heat to it. All right. And there we go. New grips on the Glock. And I think it came out real good. I am liking this. I'm pretty sure she's gonna like it as well. You know, this actually came out real good. Let me let you guys get a good look at this. You can see where I cut it down at the bottom. But yeah, I really like this. And like I said, this is a very inexpensive upgrade that looks real good, and it actually feels very good. And you know, you can see where they had the cuts, where the finger grooves went. So, all right. I think I'm gonna do my Canic Blackout next. Yeah, matter of fact, I know I'm gonna do the Canic Blackout next. So, I do recommend these. These are great. These are a real easy upgrade. And remember, let's see, here we go. Got them from Handle It Grips. So, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Notifications. Johnny Snow about it.